We'll start our class. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Look. What is this? Can you say this?
Scale.
Scale. What is the use of scale? Ma'am? Okay, to draw straight line. Yes. Centimeter. क्या centimeter क्या? Yes, to measure. To measure the leg. We use scale to measure the leg. And what's the use of watch? W-A-T-C is watch. Yes, watch is used to measure time. Clock also used to measure time. Then do you know thermometer? Thermometer, do you know thermometer? Yes. What's the use of thermometer? Thermometer. In which time we use that thermometer? When we are sick, who check it? When we go to hospital, doctor will check क्यों check करने के लिए? Our temperature, our body temperature. So thermometer is used to measure our temperature. So today we are going to learn about how are things measured. Today's topic is how are things measured. We need to measure many things in our daily life, right? What are you doing there? We need to measure many things in our daily life, is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, like length of a cloth. When we go to tailor के पास चल गया, then that time tailor what he do?
Ma'am, take measure of our height.
If you want to stitch one shirt, first if you want to stitch a shirt or stitch a pant, then first what tailor will do?
Ma'am, tailor will take the measure of our body and
According to that measurement, he or she will stitch our clothes. So length of a cloth, height, weight of an object, volume of a liquid, time and temperature. All the measurement are done in same unit है? All the measurement are done in? No, all the measurements are done in different units. Done in different units. For example, we weight vegetables. How we weight? Calculate or we weight vegetables in kilograms. We weight vegetables. We weight vegetables in kilograms. kg क्या है? kg kilograms. And we measure liquid. We measure the water. We measure the oil. How?
liter.
Yes, very good. We measure liquid in liter. L for liters. Then there are different instruments. For measuring each things. Each things means क्या है? Each things everything. Every things. We use different instruments. How we calculate or how we measure our length, our height? How we measure? Which instrument we use it to? Which instrument we use it to measure our height of a person, height of a child. Tape. How? Tape. How? Instrument. Tape. Tape. Then length tell us. Length. Length tell us how long a thing. No. How long a thing is. In early times, do you know? In early times, in Purana times, people used their body. People used their body. They used their body parts as units to measure the length of a object. So in previous time, हम लोग क्या कैसे measure करते हैं? हम लोग use our body parts to measure the length of an object. They use handspan. Handspan means क्या है? Handspan. This is line. This is the handspan measure. Like this way they use it to measure the handspan, and they use it cubit. Handspan. 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 Then cubit. How? Cubit means from here. Cubit means here. We have to measure the object. Look here. What is this? This is the duster. Duster ka how to measure? 1, 2, then 3. This way in early times they measured. And foot span, our foot span and our stride is also used to measure the length of an object. And you have to tell to your mother today one project, one activity. Listen here, one activity. Ask your mother to measure the length of a window. In your home window है, window door, खिड़की है. Then today you ask to your mother to measure the window by using her handspan. Like this way. This is for how we use for handspan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the handspan method. In this method, you have to ask to your mother, ma'am, you have to measure the window. And after that, you also measure the same window using your handspan. And note down that number of handspans between you and your mother. Is it same? No. Why? Because your hand is small and your mother or your father ka hand is large, bigger. So difference in the measurement because different handspans have a different measurement. Your mother handspan measurement is different than your measurement. So to get a accurate measurement, Surya, stand up. Why I am standing here? Arjun also, sir. Then why you are standing here? So the measurement of your mother handspan and your handspan is different. To get an accurate measurement, we have fixed unit. We have a fixed unit of measurement things. That is called a meter. Meter is the unit of measuring lengths. centimeter, cm, centimeter and millimeter. And this scale, millimeter or centimeter? We can measure this, measure by the centimeter. And स्मॉल स्केल का सेंटीमीटर कितना है? 1 सेंटीमीटर टू 15 सेंटीमीटर. So smaller lengths are measured सेंटीमीटर. cm, cm क्या है? सेंटीमीटर. So to get an accurate measurement, we have fixed unit of measuring things. So meter is the unit. Meter is the unit used for measuring length. And meter is written as m. Very good. Meter is written as m. And centimeter is written as cm. cm. So 1 meter is equal to 1 meter कितना सेंटीमीटर है?
100.
Yes, very good. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter
रिटर्न में आपने m लिख दिया वो n
written.
ऊपर
Meter is written.
n की जगह m है.
So centimeter is written as cm and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter 200 centimeter. 10 meter
enter
10 meter
1000
1000 centimeter. And millimeter. Can you see? Can you see this? Millimeter is written as mm. Millimeter is written as mm. 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. 1000 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10
सेंटीमीटर बोलो
centimeter. So a ruler measures length in centimeter, centimeter, millimeter or inches. So how to measure your pencil boards? How to measure pencil boards? Centimeter. How to measure? My pencil boards is. Do you have pencil boards? Compass है? Do you have compass? Then give me one compass. centimeter long. This pencil, this compass is 18 centimeter long. You have to measure your copy, your notebook measure by using length, by using scale. Come, students, come here, come with your copy. You can measure. Your 15 centimeter then. 24 centimeter. So this book is 24 centimeter long. And give me your pencil. Lavanya, come here, come with your pencil. Array, some, okay, come. Wait. Okay, you can measure your pen. Look, 14 centimeter. This pencil is 14 centimeter long. Come, Hari, come here. Okay, you can measure your pen. Your pen is also 14 centimeter long. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in early times, how the people measured the things? How the people measured the things in early times? They use it their cubit. They use it their this portion is called cubit and hand span, then foot span. They use it to measure the things. But that is different from one another. That means if your mother or a big younger person or adult person can measure anything, that length is different than you because your hand spans like this different. Smaller than so that's why we use it meter to measure the things because we get an accurate measurement. Clear? Okay. Then a ruler shown us 15 centimeter long. Already we know that a ruler can shows here that 15 centimeter long. And you might have seen a tailor measuring cloth using a measuring tape. Measuring tape. Yes. So a measuring tape measures length in meters. Length in meters and centimeter. Dan, have you done this? Canada? distance.
Yeah.
If you are traveling by a car or bicycle or bus, how to calculate the measurement? Sorry, how to calculate the distance? Very long distance which are traveled by car, by bus, by scooter, that are measured in kilometer. That are measured in kilometer, written as km. Hello, come here. Slow, come here. Come here. What I am doing here? What I am doing here? Go outside. Very long distance which are traveled by bus, car, scooter, cycle, that are measured in kilometer. That are measured in
Kilometer. Ma'am.
yes.
Method calculate by any vehicle. This is ma'am. Whether calculate by any vehicle is not
Kilometer.
kilometer and kilometer.
km for
Kilometer.
kilometer. So 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. 1 km. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter.
1000 meter.
So 2 kilometer is equal to dash meter 2000 meter. 5 kilometer 5000 meter. So very long distance we can measure. We can measure in kilometer. Long distance we can measure in kilometers.
Ma'am, 1 meter is equal to dash kilometer.
Then next. Okay, I will ask some questions related to the topic. A tailor uses dash to measure measure the dash of a cloth. Measuring tape is used to dash the cloth. Length of the cloth. Very good. Then very long distance can be measured in kilometer. Very good. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 100. 1 centimeter is equal to dash weight that is called volume. That is called volume. So liter, L-I-T-R-E, liter. Liter is commonly used as the unit to measure volume. So how to measure the volume?
Liter.
Yes, to liter. L-I-T-R-E, liter. Liter is commonly used to measure the volume. So then smaller amount of liquid are measured in millimeters. Smaller amount of liquid are measured in millimeter. Measured in milli. Liter is written as L. Liter is written as L and milliliter. Milliliter is written as ml. ml. So 1 liter is equal to
1000 millimeter.
1 liter is equal to very good 1000 milliliter. Measure standard. Standard. Liter. 1 liter. Milliliter. So we use special instruments like measuring cylinders marked in milliliters and liters to measure volume of liquids. Liquid is poured into these jars and volume is measured by reading the marking on them. You might have seen your milkman measuring milk using mug-like vessel while giving your milk. You might have seen your milkman measuring the milk using special mug-like vessel while giving you milk.
Yes, ma'am.
Then weight of a thing. heavy object is. Weight is measured in grams and kilogram. Weight is measured in
grams and kilograms.
Measured in grams. Grams and kilograms. And kilogram is written as kg. Kilogram is written as kg. Gram is written as g. Very good. So 1 kg is equal to 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram. 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we use weighting balance or a weighting machine to measure weight. When we go to the market, when we go to the shop, then that time we can see that weighting machine, weighting balance, they are used to measure the weight of a thing. Clear? So today we learned about how do we measure things. How do we measure things? We need to measure many things in our daily life, like length of our clothes, our height, weight of our objects. We get an accurate measurement. We have a fixed unit to measuring things, that is meter. So meter is written as m, centimeter is written as cm. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. Very good, 10 millimeter. And in tailors use measuring tape to measure our length of the cloth. And measuring the liquid. How to measure the liquid? Volume. And liter is commonly as the unit of measuring volume.
Liter and milliliter.
Liter and milliliter, and 1 liter is equal to dash millimeter. 1000 milliliter. Sorry, meter name milliliter. Clear?
One more method of weight.
Then next measurement of weight. Weight is measured in gram and kilogram. Kilogram is very